The medical system is completely broken and people are dying every day. I got a solution to that problem. Hey everybody, Dr. Maggio here, the clinic director at Peak Injury Solutions. Our mission is to help people that are injured and in pain become better informed and educated so they get the best outcomes and results for their injury. Today in our video I want to talk about a topic that hits me pretty hard. If you don't know my story and everything like that, the current medical model completely killed my father, killed him and destroyed his life. It was never-ending surgeries, pain pills, injections, everything like that, and it just continues to get worse. I hear more and more stories like this every day, and it just has to stop. So I have a solution to the problem, but it's never going to happen. But if it did, can you imagine how much better our healthcare system would be? So the problem here in America with the healthcare system is we aren't paid for quality, we're not paid for results, especially as doctors. What we're paid for is the number of procedures that we do. And across the board, these big hospitals, they want their doctors to do more and more procedures because they get more money for that. A typical surgery for a cervical fusion is over $140,000. A low back fusion is over $167,000. That's a lot of money, but it's covered and it's paid for. The problem is the outcomes for that really aren't where they need to be. We've had videos where we've done in the past where they actually have codes called failed back surgery because of a problem. The issue we're running into is there is no quality control for that. Imagine what would happen if a doctor would only get paid based off the outcomes of the patient. So if they were going to do say a cervical surgery on a patient, they would be very confident that this patient's going to do well and they take them through surgery. 6 months later, if the patient hit all these outcomes, did well with everything like that, the doctor gets paid and they might even get a bonus. But that doesn't happen in the US, it doesn't happen in healthcare. And what happens is people are getting procedures that they don't even need to have because everyone's worried about a bottom line. We have to come to terms with the reality that the medical system is completely broken. It is a big business, and until we start rewarding quality and results, we're never going to get where we need to be. People always talk about the opioid epidemic and the crisis we're in. We're in it for one reason and one reason only: greed and corruption, because people want to make more money and they're cutting people open, they're doing surgeries, they're doing injections, they're doing pain pills, all because it's paid for and it's covered and it's stacking people's pockets and lining their pockets. You deserve better. You deserve better for your injury. I don't want to see people end up like my father, who died at 58 years old because of this problem, because they just kept doing surgeries and pumping him full of pain pills. You deserve better. So if you like what you saw in our video, you know anyone that's had this problem or you're just dealing with it, give us a like, a comment, or share, or send us a message. And if you have any other specific topics you'd like us to cover, send us a message. We're here to help.